Did you know that the Pyramids of Giza, located in Egypt, are some of the most iconic and ancient structures in the world? Built over 4,500 years ago, the Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest and the only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world still in existence. These pyramids were constructed as tombs for the pharaohs and are a testament to ancient Egyptian engineering and architecture. The Sphinx, with its lion's body and human head, stands guard nearby. The precise alignment and massive scale of these monuments continue to amaze scientists and tourists alike. Visiting the Pyramids of Giza offers a glimpse into the rich history and culture of ancient Egypt. Did you already know all of this? Follow our channel to discover more fascinating curiosities like these.